everyone. Today we are going to study class 7th chapter number first 3 questions. This chapter has been written by Leo Tolstoy. In this chapter, Leo Tolstoy is telling us a story of a king and a hermit. One day, king got an idea that how can he do his things, his works, and to make his life successful life. In order to make his successful life, he think that he should, if he will do 3 things on time, then he never will fail in his life and he will live a successful life. He got 3 questions. That 3 questions were: what is the right time to begin something? Which people should he listen to? What is the most important thing for him to do? मतलब उसे किसी कार्य का करने का सही समय है और किस व्यक्ति की बात को उसे मानना चाहिए या सुनना चाहिए, या जो उसके कौन सा कार्य ऐसा है जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है उसे करने के लिए. King thought that if he will be able to know these 3 things, then he will never fail in his life and he will do a successful life. So let's know the chapter, that how king got his answers of these questions, and in order to get answers of these questions, what he did. So let's come on the chapter. And before starting this chapter, please do like, share and comment and subscribe this video, and also give your suggestion that how can we make a good quality of videos for you. Okay, so let's come on the point without any delay. The thought came to a certain king that things that if he would never fail if he knew 3 things. These 3 things were: what is the right time to begin something, which people should he listen to, what is the most important thing for him to do. King thought that if he will be able to know that what is the right time to start to do something, which people he should listen to, and how can he do things better in his life, and which work is important to do. These 3 questions king got, and to find the answers of these questions, what he did, come and see. The king therefore sent messengers throughout his kingdom, promising a large sum of money to anyone who would answer these 3 questions. These were 3 questions, and to get answer of these questions, he called his messenger and sent his kingdom to call all witty persons, all wisdoms, that who can tell him the correct answer of his questions. And if anyone would give him a satisfactory answer, a correct answer, then he will give them a lot of money and also reward. Many wise men came to the king, but they all answered his questions differently, because king called the witty persons of his kingdom. So many of witty people come to the king, and they tried to also give the answer of his questions, but their answers were different times, and the king was not satisfied from his answers, from their answers. In reply to the first question, some said the king must prepare a timetable. And what was the first question of the king? That what is the right time to begin something? And the answer of this question, people gave that people told the king that that king should make a timetable to complete his work on time. राजा को एक टाइम टेबल बनाना चाहिए अपने कार्य को समय पर खत्म करने के लिए, समय पर करने के लिए, तो वो जो है क्या होगा, राइट टाइम होगा। एंड देन फॉलो इट स्ट्रिक्टली, और उन्होंने कहा कि पहले टाइम टेबल बनाइए और इस टाइम टेबल को स्ट्रिक्टली फॉलो करिए। ओनली इन दिस वे दे सेड दे कुड डू एवरीथिंग ऑन एट इट्स प्रॉपर टाइम, और उन्होंने कहा कि केवल इस तरीके से वो जो है अपने कार्य को प्रॉपर टाइम पर कर सकते हैं। मीन्स किंग, इफ किंग विल मेक अ टाइम टेबल एंड will follow that timetable strictly, then king can can get answer of this question and can complete his work on time and never cannot get failure. Okay, they said could do everything else. Others said that it was impossible to decide in advance the right time for doing something. और दूसरे सारे जो स्कॉलर्स थे या कह लो विटी पर्सन्स थे, उन्होंने क्या कहा कि it was impossible to decide in the advance the right time for doing something. करेक्ट है ना, कि कोई अभी किसी काम करने का अगर प्लानिंग नहीं है तो आप उसे एडवांस में कैसे उसका टाइम डिसाइड कर लोगे। इफ़ यू विल नॉट नो दैट इन फ्यूचर व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू डू, इफ यू हैव नॉट डिसाइडेड देन हाउ कैन यू फिक्स टाइम टेबल फॉर दैट वर्क। तो सेम एज उन स्कॉलर्स ने, कुछ लोगों ने उसमें बोला कि अगर हम एडवांस में टाइम टेबल फिक्स करना ये इम्पॉसिबल है फॉर एनीवन। The king should notice all that was going on, avoid foolish pleasure. तो और उन्होंने कहा कि राजा को जो कुछ भी हो रहा है उनके आसपास उस पर जो है should focus. The king should focus on his surrounding. उनको अपने वातावरण पे क्या उनके आसपास हो रहा है वो सब पे फोकस करना चाहिए और फुलिश प्लेजर्स को जो है अवॉइड करना चाहिए। मीन्स जैसे राजा लोग के पास एंजॉइंग मेजरमेंट्स होते हैं, इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स होते हैं या क्या बोले संसाधन होते हैं, तो उन संसाधनों से उनको उससे अवॉइड करना चाहिए, उनसे बचना चाहिए। किस लिए बचना चाहिए? किसी कार्य को सही समय पर शुरू करने के लिए। ये फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का आंसर ये सारे लोग दे रहे हैं। ओके, and always do whatever seemed necessary at that time. And they also suggested king that king should avoid foolish pleasures and should focus on his surroundings, and also should do that works that is most necessary, that is most important in all that. In this way, king can not get failure and king can be success in his life. Yet others said that the king needed a council of wise men who would help him act at the proper time. This was because one man would find it impossible to decide correctly, and many of them advised the king to make a council to give him suggestion. You know, council, group of people to give us advice to king. लोग जो कुछ लोगों का समूह होता है जो राजा को क्या करते हैं, किसी मसले पे जो है उनको सलाह देते हैं, एडवाइस करते हैं कि आप ऐसा कर सकते हैं, ऐसा कर सकते हैं, तो उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? काउंसिल बोलते हैं। अंडरस्टूड? तो उन्होंने, कुछ लोगों ने कहा कि राजा को एक काउंसिल बनाना चाहिए, क्योंकि एक व्यक्ति जो है किसी कार्य को करने में पॉसिबल, मतलब थोड़ा सा उसको प्रॉब्लम होगी। जब काउंसिल रहेगा दे विल गिव डिफरेंट टाइप सजेशंस, एडवाइसेस, एंड किंग कैन डू हिज वर्क्स comfortably. Okay. Without help from others, the right time for every action. Okay, next. But then others said that there were some things which could be urgent. These things could not wait for the decision of the council. And many of them give another suggestion, another advice, that they would advise that it is not possible to take advice from councils all time, because many suggestions, many decisions can many suggestions will be able to take suddenly, meantime, just time, just then how it is possible that council will be available on at all time. तो राजा को हर समय काउंसिल तो अवेलेबल हो नहीं सकती है, हो सकता है कभी काउंसिल अवेलेबल ना हो, और उस टाइम पे अगर राजा को कोई डिसीजन लेना है तो क्या करेगा राजा, तो करें इन ऑर्डर टू डिसाइड द राइट टाइम फॉर डूइंग समथिंग इट इज नेसेसरी टू लुक इनटू द फ्यूचर एंड टू अवॉइड दीज थिंग्स, दीज इंसिडेंट्स, दीज सर्कमस्टांसेस, किंग शुड फोकस इन फ्यूचर। उन्होंने ये सजेशन दिया कि राजा को अपने फ्यूचर पे ध्यान देना चाहिए, बिकॉज it is not possible to take advice from the council all time, and only magicians could do that. The king therefore would have to go to magicians, and they suggested that advised king to take suggestion from the magicians, because it is not possible to take all time advice from the councils, and to get suggestion, to get advice, and to look in future, because it is not possible to take advice all time from the councils, so king should look in future, and it is not possible for everyone to look in future, so there is a need to help magicians and king, so king should take advice from the magicians for looking into future. In their answers to the second question, some said that people most necessary to the kings were his counselors, others said the priests, and a few others chose the doctors. In the answers to the second question, and these above description explanations were the answers of the first questions that was given from the witty people of the kingdom of that king. And in answer of the second question, people answered him that people most necessary to the king were his counselors. उन्होंने क्या कहा कि राजा के लिए उसकी जो काउंसलर्स, या कुछ ने कहा कि प्रीस्ट्स नेसेसरी है बहुत ज़्यादा राजा के लिए, and others ने कहा कि डॉक्टर्स नेसेसरी है, and others said that his soldiers were the most necessary. Means there are different type of opinion in the answer of second question. Their opinion was not same. Some said that for the king priest is most necessary, some said that doctor is the most necessary, some said that counselor is most necessary, and also there were different type of answers. The king get different type of answers from the different type of pupils whom he called to get his answer. To the third question, some said science, others chose fighting, and yet others religious verses. And same as the second question's answer, king got the answer of the also third question, that some said science is more important, some people said that fighting is most important, and it others religious worship, and some people of them said that religious worship is most important. For the answer of third question, means that question was what is the most important thing him to do. तो इस क्वेश्चन के आंसर में कुछ ने ऐसा बताया कि राजा के लिए जो सबसे ज़्यादा आवश्यक क्या है, साइंस है, रिलीजियस वर्शिप है, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. And as the answers of his questions were so different, the king was not satisfied and gave no reward, because the answers of that witty people were very different. There were no combinations of the answers of the witty people whom the king called to get his answers. So king have not become satisfied, and he didn't give any reward to anyone. And instead he decided to seek the advice of a certain hermit who was widely known for his wisdom. Because at the same time, king had heard about a hermit. That hermit was living in the wood, in the forest, and the king decided to get his answer. King decided to go to that hermit and for getting his answer, to get his answer of his questions. The hermit lived in a wood which he never left. He saw no one but simple people, and so the king put on ordinary clothes. Because hermit was very simple. आपको पता ही है कि साधु संत hermit कैसे रहते हैं. They live very simple life. They wear also very ordinary clothes. They eat also ordinary foods. तो राजा, because that hermit was also very ordinary, and also he was very, and also he never met like king people. King के समान लोगों से कभी नहीं मिला था. So king decided to go in the ordinary disguise. उन्होंने सोचा कि जो है हम भी ऐसे ऑर्डिनरी चलते हैं, बिकॉज जो हर्मिट है कभी सिर्फ सिंपल लोगों से मिला है, तो हम भी एक साधारण व्यक्ति की तरह हर्मिट के पास जाते हैं. And so the king put an ordinary clothes. Before he reached the hermit hut, the king left his horse with his bodyguard and went on alone. And the king left his bodyguards and his all comforts, like जो रथ वथ होते हैं, सब कुछ सैनिक सोल्जर वगैरह सब कुछ वो अपने फॉरेस्ट के बाहर ही रोक करके वो एकदम साधारण वेशभूषे में वहाँ पे हर्मिट से मिलने जाते हैं. As the king came near the hermit's hut, he saw the hermit digging the ground in front of his hut. But when the king reached to that hermit was digging the ground in front of his hut. He welcomed to the king and continued digging that ground. Then king asked the same question to that hermit, that I have come to you to ask you 3 questions, that which time I should start my work, and which people I should believe most, and what is the correct time to start any work. Then hermit did not give any reply to that king, and he continued his workings. After some time, king saw that hermit became tired, because he was very weak and old also. Then king offered him to help him, and he said, please give me your spade and I will work in place of you. And the hermit listened to the king but did not speak. He went on digging. You are tired, said the king. Let me take the spade and work in your place. और अपनी जगह पर हमें काम करने दो. Thanks, said the hermit, giving the king his spade. Then he sat down on the ground. Then hermit gave his spade to the king for his help, saying thanks. And hermit sat on the ground for rest. And king started working in place of that hermit. Thanks. This was all about the today's topic, today's chapter. In next video, I will give you part 2, explanation of part 2. Okay, thank you. Keep watching. Do subscribe. Thank you.